Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin and today we are going to do a makeup look. I have a vision in my head of what I want to do, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's what's going to happen today. But I'm thinking winter, minty, cute eyeshadow. I don't know. I have a few palettes in front of me. One of the palettes I have in front of me is the Tokyo Harajuku palette from Nomad Cosmetics. I haven't used this yet, but I was thinking of using the minty colors like this one and this one, maybe this color, maybe this color, making like a winter candy minty holiday look. I'm not sure. I also have the Creepy Cute palette from Shroud Cosmetics, and I have the Creep It Rio shade right here, which is pretty minty. Might use that. Yeah, I have some palettes. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but that's what I'm attempting, is a winter minty candy look. That's what I have in my head, so we'll see if that actually turns out. So let me zoom you guys in and we'll just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take the Tokyo Harajuku palette first. I'm going to take this shade as my transition shade, and it is called Kakigori. I don't know if that's right. I'm very sorry. I am awful with pronunciations. I'm just awful at pronouncing things, so bear with me. I'm very sorry. I'm trying my best. And ooh, yes, this is the minty vibe that I was going for. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Oh my god, I love this color. Oh my god, I love this color. This is really, really pretty. This is going to be a nice transition-y shade. This would be beautiful all over the lid as like a matte cut crease or something. Oh, gorgeous. Anyways, yes, this is the second holiday look I've done on my channel. The first one was technically a first impressions, but it's still a holiday look, so it counts nonetheless. I'm trying to do more, but I am running out of time, my friends. Christmas is very closely upon us, and I didn't realize that. I thought I had way more time than I did. That's exactly how Halloween happened as well. I thought Halloween, I had the whole month, I was like, oh, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be great. Then Halloween was here and I was confused. So that's how Christmas is right now, and I wish I had more time. There should be a post up on the community tab today on what book you guys would like to see for Friday's book review. I'm gonna give you guys a poll because we did that a few weeks ago, maybe like a month ago, and it was really fun. So I'm gonna give you guys the options and you can pick for Friday's book review. I think that'll be fun. Okay, now dipping back into the Tokyo Harajuku palette, I'm going to try Now Is Forever. I don't know how dark that's gonna be. I might go in with the Creepy Cute palette if this isn't the right shade that I want it to be, but we'll see. I don't know if this is just gonna blend into the other shade, like very, it's a little tiny bit deeper, but honestly, does it have some sparkle in it? It might be a satin. It doesn't feel quite like a matte. It feels kind of like a satiny matte shimmer. I feel like it's like gleaming a little. Is it like shimmery? Huh. Interesting. Okay, that's not as deep as I would like it to be. So I'm going to jump into the Creepy Cute palette. I'm gonna take I'm going to take some of Creep It Real right here. This is very pigmented. And I'm going to place it in my outer corner crease area to hopefully get some, yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay, some dimension. Oh my god, I love the Creepy Cute palette. I use it so much. I use it way more than I think people think you would use it. The pigment is real. Do you see that? Holy guacamole. What else is there to talk about, my friends? Oh, I'm doing a Q&A sometime soon. So be thinking of any questions you want to ask me. It can be book related, it can be makeup related, it can be life related. Whatever. YouTube related. I'm down, anything. You can leave your comments here or in a community post I have put up. Just go to the community tab area place thing, and there should be one where I said you guys could leave your questions. That would be fun. I'm excited. I feel like I have a few more subscribers than I did the last time I did like a Q&A. I think I've only done like one Q&A. It's not like that many Q&As, but yeah, so if you guys want to leave some questions for me, that would be fun. Also, let me know what kind of video you'd like to see it in, like what kind of format. Would you guys like me doing just a sit down, just talking to the camera? Would you like me doing my makeup, a mukbang? I don't know, whatever you guys want. I'm going to take that first shade we used from the Tokyo Harajuku palette, Kakigori, and I'm just going to blend these shades together. This is really cute. I love these minty tones. They're very pretty. Need some cleanup, but it should be fine. Okay, next we're going to cut the crease like always, but I'm going to use these two shimmers from the Tokyo Harajuku palette and do kind of like a double shimmer cut crease kind of thing. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and my NYX glitter primer and cut my crease. I'll do one eye at a time. Okay, first I'm going to take this pink shimmer. I'm just going to pick some of this up, place it right here. Oh, wow. They're very, like, sheer. Oh, whoa. I don't even think the camera is going to do that justice. Holy crap. These shimmers are unreal. They're like, I don't know. Okay. Interesting. I'm going to use the other shimmer with my finger and see if that works a little bit better, but I'm going to take this green shade on my finger and just put it on the rest of my lid. Oh wow, these are almost like a shimmer topper. They have little pigment, like very little pigment, but they're very sheeny. Fascinating. I've never quite used anything like that before. I feel like I don't know. I think I like it. It's strange. Very, very glowy. Huh. Interesting. Okay, let me do the other eye really quick and I will be right back. Wow, that's really interesting. These are interesting shimmers. They're very little pigment, but like uber sparkly, and you kind of see the color. Like I can definitely tell there's pink here and green here, but it's very mild. These are almost like lid toppers, like sparkly eyeshadow toppers, but they also have the tiniest hint of pigment. It's very interesting. I'm going to take more of Creep It Real from the Creepy Cute palette just to deepen up my crease one last time. Okay, like that. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I think for the lower lash line, we're gonna go like pinky pastels. So we'll do the green on the top and have like a pinky moment on the bottom to match the shimmer. So I will be right back and let's see what happens with this look. I'm interested to see how this ends. Okay, let's do the lower lash line. So I'm gonna do the lower lash line as like a pinky sort of look. So I'm going to take the shade Lolita here, and I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this shade, it's like a purpley pink, and it's Gairu. Yeah, that's probably not right. I'm going to take that on a fluffier brush, and I'm just going to blend out the pink. I'm going to leave it like that. It's pretty bare, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And I'm going to take this pink shimmer again, and I'm just going to place it on the inner corner with my finger, just for a little highlight, like so. Then I'm going to put on some mascara and a lippy, and I will be right back once again. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I have on my lip and my mascara. My lip gloss is the Lunar Lips Gloss in Bare from Lunar Skies Cosmetics, right here. It's very pigmented and glossy, and I like it a lot, and I feel like it goes with the look really well. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys are getting candy, minty vibes like I was trying to portray. I don't know if I did it justice, but this is kind of what I had in my head, so I hope that it gives off that vibe. Let me know in the comments down below if it doesn't or if it does, because I'm unsure, but to me I thought it did, so fingers crossed it translates in the video. So yeah guys, that's going to do it for this little tutorial. I'm sorry I didn't talk too much, but I was really kind of concentrating on the makeup. Sometimes that just happens and I get really sucked into it and I don't have a conversation with you guys. So yeah, I'm sorry if you guys missed my conversation skills, my very poor conversation skills in my videos, but you can start a conversation down in the comments and I would be happy to talk to you there. Don't forget to leave me questions for a Q&A either in the community post or down here in the comments. I will be looking at both, and I don't know when I'm filming the Q&A, but I'm just gathering questions now. And let me know what kind of Q&A video you want. Sit down, get ready with me, mukbang, any other kind of ideas, just leave them in the comments down below so I can plan accordingly. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. I am way too forward. I'm gonna scoot back. Okay. There, that feels a little better. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We can become friends, talk about makeup, horror, books, movies, all kinds of things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on Wednesday with another video. Bye!